You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I am really excited for today's Get It All Done with me. We are starting off with writing out my to-do list, as I find I get so much more done and it is just so much more satisfying when I actually have a to-do list and I can check things off. So if you don't already have your to-do list, go ahead and write it out so that you can get it all done with me. You'll see here on my to-do list, it looks like we don't have that much to kind of tackle, but the tasks on my list are definitely big tasks. So starting off, we are going ahead and stopping at the grocery store. I have been asked so many times to take you guys shopping with me, and so we're gonna do that before we get on into a grocery haul. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family.
Pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement that explode like a bomb. I get to
Really quick little grocery haul. I got some cilantro, some organic carrots, couple peaches, cauliflower, clamato for my drinks. Got a few organic loaves of the Dave's Killer bread. They were on sale. Some buns for our burgers, our favorite cream. Aaron needed some deodorant. My favorite bruschetta. This was the only yogurt they had, was like the extra big one, which is fine because we will definitely go through it. Juice and milk. And then I got a little thing of organic apples, onions, just, you know, your basics, fruits, strawberries, bananas, pineapple for the smoothie, Worcestershire for my Caesars, and then I got some cheese. We were running low, so I love buying the bagged shredded cheese. It is so handy to have. I have the oven on, as you can see, because I ended up getting this little like flatbread. This is the easiest lunch recipe. Do that with leftover chicken and you like make a flatbread slash pizza. It's amazing. My sink's going crazy. I got these smoked Gouda crackers to try, some spinach, peppers, jalapenos, kiwi, and then wraps. They didn't have the spinach ones that I like, so I got that instead. I also ended up getting some cookie sheets because they were on sale, and then we needed a brush. So that is our grocery haul. Let's go ahead and get it put away.
I'm wondering how many men that you trapped and dumped in the ocean. I wish that I could understand why I had this stupid crush. The girl next door is over there being perfect, getting the roses. I bet that you don't even care if my body drifts ashore. But if you ask me, I'm pretty sure that I'll come running. Though I should say no, 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 no. Here in the ocean, nobody can hear you screaming. And if I knew better, I would never need the rush. If I just think twice, I never would have had this feeling. I should have said no, 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 no.
Now that we have all of our groceries put away, I've shared the haul with you, all of that jazzmatazz, we are going ahead and tackling the dishes. So I went ahead and I'm gonna load the dishwasher and then do a few dishes by hand before moving on through our to-do list. I would love to know, let me know in the comments what you are tackling and what you're doing in today's video. Are you sitting back, relaxing and watching to try and get motivated, or are you up and moving with me? Let me know.
Sure that I'll come running, though I should say no, 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 no. She pulls the trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet, cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. Oh, I can't go on. Yeah, I must be strong, cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit.
This is maybe a little bit random, but I wanted to pop on here and ask you guys if, number one, if your kids are in school or if you are homeschooling, or kind of like where you're at with that. I am really excited. Hopefully our daughter will get to start school this year. We will find out soon enough after we meet with the school and just kind of see what is happening. It seems like nobody really knows what's going on, and she's little enough that it doesn't really matter for her to necessarily go to school quite yet, but she's really looking forward to it, and I'm really and truly hoping that I don't have to break her heart. But I would love to know if your kids are going to school this year.
It's running wild, it's heavy on my side. I'm throwing things at you, but nothing seems to stick. I'm swimming round your aisle, think I'm losing my grip. Oh, I'm trying to hold on. Oh, gotta keep on keeping on, cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I go by to make things right. I know you see.
Alright, as you can see, we are still tackling the surfaces and wiping them down. There was tons to wipe down in today's video. I feel like our house just kind of got a little bit out of control. As per usual, that's what I always say, mom life. I wanted to let that song play a little bit as it is one of my favorite songs. And I also wanted to ask you guys what you think about fall. I know some people are still like in summer, myself included, but I see people like, you know, in the YouTube world, we should be talking about fall and whatnot, even though it's only August. And I want to know if you guys want to see a fall decorate and clean with me, if you want to see it like right away, or if you want me to wait until kind of like end of the month / maybe September. That's definitely too late in the YouTube world, but obviously you guys are all that matters. So go ahead and let me know in the comments if you want to see it right away or if you want me to wait a bit. I also am working on a ton of home DIY projects. As I am recording this voiceover, I am actually almost done my bathroom makeover, which is very, very exciting, and I can't wait to share that with you as well. So if you have not subscribed already and that is the kind of content that you enjoy, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up, as it really helps out my small channel.
sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back. I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back.
All right, everybody, so I wanted to give you guys a close-up of the mantle, as I do have some changes coming to it in a future video, but I wanted to ask you guys about this tile and what you would do to it. I want to paint it, but I think I have a color in mind, but I would love to know what you guys would do with that space and, you know, the mantle, I guess, as a whole. Keep in mind that we are renting, and so I am very limited to what I can do, and basically all that I would be allowed to do would be painting, and so just kind of keep that in mind. But let me know in the comments if you have any ideas, as I truly value your guys' opinion. Next up, we are going ahead and cleaning the bathroom. I'm not gonna lie, it had actually been days, which in my opinion is absolutely disgusting, since I had cleaned the bathroom, and so we're definitely giving it a really, really good wipe down here in the upstairs bathroom. So let's go ahead and do that.
I keep on thinking back on it, when we escaped with our first real paycheck. Wasn't much, but we needed less, yeah, than we do now. We were driving along the coast. I felt the ocean breeze on my face. Wanted to go as far as we ever could. So many years have passed, but even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well, I wish I could feel it again, the way that I felt for you then. I know you think of it too. They got her down and we ended up sleeping at the worst motel somewhere. We had rashes for days. Do you remember that? In spite of everything that we lacked, nothing compares to the freedom we had. I would do it again if you say the word. So many years have passed, but even though we were
thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did.
Hey guys, so it's quite a bit later in the day here, and unfortunately, even though mopping was on my to-do list today, I'm not gonna have time to do it. We're going to the beach, so I just decided it's kind of pointless to mop my floors today, and I'll probably end up doing it like tomorrow or whatever. But I just want to let you know, if it's on your to-do list and you don't get it done, it's okay. You're not alone. And I just wanted to kind of let you guys know that even I don't get everything done that I want to in the same day. I spread it out, I listen to my body, and you should as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
At one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me.